blown my mind, the size of the site, the number of the trains to see.
It's rare you get so many of them at one place, and I'd say it'll be a long time before the same again.
So nice to see so many different people. You've got rail staff here, you've got people with families just for a day out with the families, and then you've got people like us who are enthusiasts who come for the trains itself.
What have you liked the most today?
Being in the train.
Being inside the train. Do you know which one you liked the most?
The flying.
Scots.
Yeah, that was your favourite, wasn't it? The Flying Scotsman. What do you like about Steam?
Fire.
The fire.
I saw the event 200 years railways and I said I have to be part of one of those.
But yeah, I just love wandering around. There's just so much to see. It's just the buzz. That's what I'm enjoying, I think.
I think that's the best. It's everybody's enthusiasm.
Yeah.
For something like this.
To a lot of these things, it's all about steam. I wasn't brought up in the era of steam. I was brought up in the era of diesels and electrics, and so a lot of the things around here are the things that have worked the railways in my lifetime, so that's what's been interesting for me.
Well, we like railways. I work for the railways as well, so it's been in my history, in my past. And yeah, I used to live on the back of a railway line.
We've not really had this in the rail community before, so it's really nice to have everyone here in one place.